Thank you for your interest in Plus Ultra Roofing. If you're watching this video, you probably reached out for a quote and have received this as a link alongside a PDF file containing a price for your new roof. In this video, we will go over what that price entails step by step so you know exactly what you are purchasing. Step 1. The crew will arrive to set up. You will be greeted by our foreman, Christian, and then they will immediately get to work. Step 2. We always put tarps alongside the house, especially where there will be ripping shingles. Ideally on a walkable, this can be tossed straight into the bin. Either way, there will be tarps protecting bushes and grass as to prevent granules, nails, and other debris. Step 3. Safety is a major priority. We are all here to support our lives and families, so protecting our workers is always non-negotiable. From gutter guards for holding the ladders in place while protecting the gutters to ropes and roof staging, we make sure everyone, including the homeowner, is protected. Step 4. At this point, we will begin ripping the roof down to the decking. Up to 3 sheets of half-inch OSB is provided in the case of rot is found. After that, homeowners will be notified and decking replaced at $70 a sheet. Step 5. The first thing to go on after everything has been ripped and thoroughly cleaned is the ice and water shield. This will go on up past the roof line where it is accessible by heat. We use Resistor or the equivalent of to protect your house from ice damming in the winter. Step 6. The remaining surfaces are sealed tightly with synthetic underlay, most usually Rhino Roofing, which is a trusted brand by many. If the roof is expected to be sealed during adverse weather, we have a cap nailer on standby as per manufacturer recommendations. Step 7. Usually at this point the bundles will be arriving. We have a boom truck come out and lift the shingles directly onto the roof for ease of access and efficiency. We use Certainty Landmark Series shingles, a trusted company for over 100 years and one of the leading patent holders for polymers, which can be argued are the most important aspect of a good roof. Step 8. Now we get to installing these great quality shingles. We utilize third-party softwares to ensure quality installation and can provide photos upon request to demonstrate things like proper stagger, nail penetration, and various flashing installations. Step 9. We cut out and install ridge vent across the ridge to maximize the longevity of the roof and prevent condensation. Step 10. We tear down and do an absolute banger of a job cleaning your property and leave only a great looking roof behind to protect you and your loved ones through the harshest elements. As for me, my name is Mackenzie Mazerolle. I'm a third generation roofer who has spent the last 20 years perfecting my craft. Now I commit myself to teaching others how to install a quality roof, provide customers with the peace of mind. I can be reached at any time during the process for questions, and I'm happy to meet in person if you would like to go over anything mentioned above or see in-person samples of the material used and color charts. As always, Plus Ultra Roofing is determined to give customers the best experience possible with getting a new roof and are happy to have serviced the many great customers we've had so far. If you would like to join the growing list of satisfied clients, let us know and we'll schedule you in. From our families to yours, we appreciate you considering Plus Ultra Roofing and look forward to doing business with you.